Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing with this new truck that I got for Christmas. It's like not obviously a truck, more like a RC truck. Look. Alright, as I was saying though, I got this new RC truck for Christmas, so I'm gonna be just making a video of me driving it. So I hope you guys like the video. It's not really gonna be too long because it's an RC truck. Hold on. Alright, anyway, back to our thing. That's where we are going to be driving this truck. If I could have it like attached like this for the whole time, that would be absolutely sick. Yep, that is not staying on. That is not going to stay on, dude. Even if it would try to hang on, this is not going to work. Here. I can't turn it because I don't got 3 arms, so what I am going to be doing is just like letting it rip. I mean, I could do this. I think it works best in like the snow. It just seems to be going a lot more faster when it's in the snow. That could just be me though. Bro, how does that even... Dude. I was driving it and then just I wanted to go right up against the wall and it literally just got stuck there. Look. Here. I'll do it again. Oh my god. It didn't do it, but anyway, that's all I was here. Look at him go. Look at him. I gotta be careful with it. It's like when I want it to turn, it won't turn. Because I've been using my chin to do it. I mean, it's really working. But at the same time, not. Because, like, I'm going to turn it. Like, I'm going to turn it right now. But then it doesn't even turn. Like, bro. Like, look, here. Look. Oh, shoot. Look, I'm going to turn it. And sometimes it doesn't even turn. Oh, wait, and then, yeah, I forgot I could just reverse it. But it's stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. Never mind, it is not. Dude. How is this stuck? What even is it? What even is it stuck on? Oh wait, it might be running out of battery. Cause while we're coming down to Grand Rapids, yes, I'm in Grand Rapids at the time. Yeah, it's losing percentage. No, look, he's dying. Bro, no way. See, if you try to turn them, it'll just like stop working. Yeah, he literally just died on me, bro. Hold on. Yeah, look, I guess if it hasn't been on my charger, really, it just died on me. Look, I mean, I guess I could get it to go. Oh, shoot. But it just, like, keeps getting slow and slower. So the max time I could, like, do it and play with it is for, like, 2 hours, which is really valid and fun. So if you're, like, yeah, this thing just runs for 2 hours and then it dies. Like, all of a sudden, it'll be playing and then it just won't work anymore. But, for the people that watch my videos, which is not really much people, you can maybe go down to the comments and then you can tell me what I should make my next video on. But it's got to be something that I'm actually able to do, because I can't really play any Steam games. I'm not like those gaming people that play virtual games a lot. I mean, I just play some on my phone, but otherwise I don't really do any of that. I just play. But anyway, like I was saying, if you guys want me to do something, leave it down in the comments, and I might pick that for the next video if I can attempt to. So, yeah, before I say goodbye, yeah, see you guys in the next video.